Hello, this is Valerie here coming to you from my studio, my design and sewing studio. I am in the process of doing a project for one of my clients, and I'm making some custom pillows from t-shirts and sweatshirts, and I just thought I'd just give you a quick heads up that when you're working with any type of knitted fabrics like t-shirt fabrics or sweatshirt fabrics that tends to be a bit unstable, the best case scenario is for you to get iron on fusible lining or interfacing just to give the fabric some stability so that when you cut into it, it will not fray and it will not be wonky. Okay, so that's just a tidbit from my studio. Until next time, take care.